Today I'm going to be doing a Library of Looks video on the Dream Street palette from ColourPop. I've been seeing videos similar to this going around, like 3 looks, 1 palette. Same concept, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I've got 3 looks for you today, and the first one that we're going to do is a very simple and wearable daytime. We're just using 4 shades from the Dream Street palette here. So I'm going to be using all mattes, these 2 here, this guy, and actually this is a satin. So first I'm going in with Shooting Star, and I'm just putting that into the crease. And I'm going in with Magical and just putting that on the lid. Okay, next I'm going in with Potion here. I'm just taking an angled brush and I'm applying this along the upper lash line. And then I'm taking Moony and I'm applying that to the brow bone and just a little bit on the inner corner. And for the lashes, I'm actually just going to apply the Benefit They're Real tinted lash primer in Mink Brown. And that's the first look from this palette, just a super simple everyday look. And for the next look, since this is so simple, I'm just going to start the next look on top of this as if there was nothing there. Okay, so on to the next look. This one is going to be much more dramatic. So I'm just going to build on top of what I've already done, because it's basically just going to cover it all up anyway. You could absolutely start this look from bare eyes and it would come out exactly the same. So I'm starting off with Potion, and I'm going to be applying that into the crease and on the lower lash line, blending it out pretty far and winging it out pretty far. Okay, now I'm going in with Spark, and I'm going to put that into the crease and just not go quite as far up, and same thing on the lower lash line. Okay, so that just added some more red tones, and I'm going to go in with Elfish and go focus mostly in the outer corners and keep it close to the lower lash line as well. So actually, before I go onto the lower lash line with that color, I'm going to tightline and put some liner in the waterline so that I can kind of use that to help blend it out. Alright, taking Moony onto the brow bone again. And I'm taking Sweet Dreams onto the eyelid and the inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna apply some liquid liner and mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, that is the finished look for this one. My eyes are so hooded that you can't really see the gold when my eyes are open, but here you go. Nice, dramatic, elongated, warm-toned look here. Okay, and I'll be back with the next one. So I didn't get around to finishing the third look for this video yesterday, but I'm back. I could not be bothered to change out of my comfy sweater or do my hair or anything, so I apologize. And I forgot to set up my backdrop. Oh well. So I have one eye done already. I just wanted to make sure that I had it down and I could get it the way I wanted it. So it is a teal cut crease, and I'm just going to be using 3 shades. So first I'm going to go in with Water Bear, and I'm just gonna try to avoid as much lid as possible, and I'm gonna start with a light layer and build it up a little bit. So much for that. And I'm just going in with a clean brush and kind of buffing over that. And I'm taking Mermaid Boy with a little detail brush, and I'm gonna just kind of trace the edge of where I want that to go. This just kind of concentrates the color more along the edge of where that crease is going to get cut. And taking that same color on this brush and buffing out the edges. Okay, I'm just going to take some foundation to clean up that edge there. I'm going to have to do this off camera because I got to be real up in the mirror for this. Sorry about that. Alright, and I'm taking Mooney and I'm going to apply that onto the lid. Okay, I'm going to apply some liquid liner and mascara to the upper lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is the completed look and the last look for this palette. Cut creases are pretty difficult for hooded eyes, especially downturned eyes, so I did the best that I could. I kind of like the way it came out. I wish that you could see the cut on the crease a little bit better, but that's just the shape of my eyes. But here you go, a teal cut crease from the Dream Street palette. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Let me know if you've done some looks with this palette as well. All of my social media links are listed down below, as well as the playlist for my Library of Looks series, so go ahead and check some of those out as well. And thank you for watching. Until next time.